I was just sent this espresso machine and it has a lot of bells and whistles on it. So let me show you all the features and let's make some espresso. Let's check out the grinding function. It says to use a medium roast, so I got these and it smells so good. And then over here, there's a dial for your grind size and it kind of tells you if you want fine or if you want coarse. And then also in your instructions, it does tell you everything. I set it to about 7. We have that little sleeve on top of it. We're gonna hit the grind button. It stops automatically, just the right proportion. Lifting this part up and taking this part and pushing down. And now we're ready to put it on the espresso side. Okay, let's make some hot espresso. So I'm gonna hit heating. And when the bar goes all the way there, then I can hit the espresso. That just locks into place. Now you can choose single or double. And this is the single shot. The double goes like almost up to that bottom of the gold flowers in this little cute teacup. It's vintage, it was my grandmother's. I'm excited for this cup of coffee. If you have any spills, it all collects under here. I just lifted that little red tab up and then that popped it right out for easy cleaning. The stainless steel plate is also really easy to clean and wipe down and then just fits super simply right there. I normally just drink my espresso straight up, but let's try frothing. So I have some almond milk in here. I hit the on button and I hit the heating button. I'm gonna take it over here. This knob, we're gonna go to there. All right, I'm trying the frothing. I attempted to froth and I found this to be a little challenging and I have yet to figure out how to get the cool function to go on. I have never done espresso frothing art. And that clearly shows. There's my masterpiece. Actually, it's kind of pretty. Even though that steaming function for me was really challenging, I just tasted this and it's good. It's really good. Since I could never get the cold function to work, it did say you wanted to pour it over ice because it would still have come out like warm. But now we have this one and I mean, this could taste really good just straight up over ice. So let's try it that way. Iced coffee latte. Maybe not made the way you're supposed to make it, but this is really good. Like probably one of the best iced coffees I've ever had.